Good morning children. Today I am going to explain you chapter number 3, that is more on Windows 7. Do you know children what is Windows 7? Windows 7 is a most popular operating system. What do you understand by the operating system? It is a system software which acts as an interface between the user and the hardware. Okay, so this is called operating system. The Windows 7 is one of the most popular operating system because it provides a GUI, that is graphic user interface, which work on WYSIWYG. That means what you see is what you get. Okay, the concept is WYSIWYG, that is what you see is what you get. Now this Windows 7 has so many programs which help us to for the day-to-day application and entertainment. These programs which help us in day-to-day application are known as accessories. Okay, can you give one example? Yes, for example, calculator, notepad, window media player, sound recorder, system tool, and so many other programs are there which comes under the category of accessories. Let's start with a window media player. What is this window media player? Window media player runs and organize media file. Media file means the file which contain audio and video. Okay, so window media player is basically a software or a program which actually work on a audio or video file, which manage your audio and video file. Okay, which is available in your computer memory. We can listen radio station all over the world with the help of this window media player if your system is having or your laptop is having a internet. Okay, now this software allow us, apart from all these facilities, this software also allow us to play, copy and create CD and DVD. That means with the help of window media player you can create a CD of a song or a movie or DVD. Fine, you can play also, or you can make a CD or DVD. It also helps to copy the music and video file to a portable device. Portable device means maybe a pen drive or any other flash drive. Okay, so you can copy your music, your movies in a pen drive and you can carry it anywhere. Fine, so with the help of this window media player. Okay, now how to start the window media player? For that you have to click on the office button. When you click on the office button, this pop-up you will see in which you will get a window media player. When you click on this window media player, it looks like that. Okay, here this is the window media program, this is the title bar of a window media program, and this is the control button, minimize, maximize and close button. And then you get the folders, that is called browse area, and these are the list of files which are open, music or videos, whatever you want to run. These are the menu which provided by the window media player. You can play, you can burn. I'll explain you what is the meaning of burn. You can sync also. Right now I don't have any music in my system, that is displaying all the video files which are present in my system. Okay, now next we will see RIP. What is the meaning of RIP? RIP means when we are copying a song from CD, DVD to our computer. That means your song or movie is in DVD or in CD, and when you are copying those songs or movie from CD or DVD to your computer, that is called RIP, and this process is called ripping, copying a file from CD or DVD to your hard disk. Okay, that is called ripping. Right, now this also you can do with the help of window media player. Okay, now next you will see burning. Burning means when your file is in your hard disk, your laptop hard disk or your desktop hard disk, and now you want to move that file in a CD or DVD, right? So at that process is called burning CD. Okay, burning means copying music from your computer to CD or DVD. Okay, so this also you can do with the window media player, or there are so many programs like Neuroburn you can use for doing so. Okay, now next we will see exploring pictures and folder. Now why we explore the picture and folder? In this folder we can store all the digital photos, images and graphics. Whatever there in your system, all are stored in a picture folder. Now next, show windows side by side. Now this feature of a window is used to display two application windows. Suppose you're working on a two window and you want to see both the window or all the window side by side, so you can use this feature. I'm showing you how to do that. Okay, wait, suppose this is my first window and I'm going to start one more window like this. Now two windows are there, one is this and one is this, fine. One is this and one is this. One is PowerPoint presentation and one is Excel file. And now I want these two windows side by side. So what you have to do, just click here in a taskbar and click in show windows side by side. See, the window is now side by side. So in this way you can arrange your window side by side. This is the new feature. And now next we will see disk cleanup. This feature is if you want to remove some unnecessary file, children, fine. Suppose there are so many files which are consuming the hard disk space of your system and your system is working very slow and you want to remove those files, fine. For that purpose we use disk cleanup. Basically when you use this disk cleanup, it free up your disk space so that your system run faster, fine. Now what it will do actually, it remove the temporary or internal and downloaded program file and empty your recycle bin. It also delete the item that are not being used for a long time, fine. Now how to start a disk cleanup? For that you just have to write here disk cleanup. See, the program will start. Click or select that program. You will get this dialog box. Select the drive which you want to clean and click on OK. I'm not doing it because right now I don't want to run this disk cleanup in my system. Okay, so I'm just closing it. Now next we will see additional features of Windows 7. What are the additional features of Windows 7? First we will see touch screen. Now what is this touch screen, children? Nowadays all of you are using a mobile, which is a good example of a touch screen. So Windows 7 with a touch screen sensitivity screen, Windows 7 we can use our finger to browse online, flip through the photo album and shuffle the file and folder just by touching a window with a finger, with the help of our finger, fine. Using a touch screen we can even finger paint in the paint software. The use of the touch screen can also experience in a mobile phone, as I told you, tablet, ATM or ticket collection terminal when you want to purchase a ticket for the railway or somewhere else. Okay, so in those places you can easily see this touch screen. Best example is your mobile, fine. Now the next feature of a window is snap. It is basically a faster method to resize the open window. Okay, what is a snap? It is a method to resize the open window. Okay, now next we will see shake. Now what is this feature shake? Now I'm showing you what it will do. Actually, for seeing that feature, just place the cursor in your window here, fine, and shake it. What happened? Whatever the other windows are open, they just disappear, except your window will be there. Okay, so this snap feature, the use of this snap feature is used to disappear the other window. Okay, for that what you have to do, you have to click on the top of the window and without releasing the mouse button, give your mouse a shake, just like that I have done. Okay, what will happen? Every open window except the one you are working with will disappear. Okay, now next feature is Arrow Flip 3D. This feature enable you to preview all open window as a stack. Fine, this again I am going to show you how it works. Just click here and show window as a stack. This feature is basically Arrow Flip 3D. Now see, all the windows are there in a form of stacks. Fine. Now next we will see, so we have gone through touch screen, snap, shake, Arrow Flip 3D. The next one is searching made easier. For that, if you want to search particular file, you can go to the Window Explorer and wait, I am showing you this also. Just go to the File Explorer. See, here it is, File Explorer. This is search box. Just write the name of the file which you want to search and click on this magnifier. In this way you can search any file. It will display all the file which is present in your system, so you can search your file very quickly. Now next we will see Windows 7 taskbar. What is this Windows 7 taskbar? This Windows 7 taskbar is more flexible and provide an easy navigation facility. We can pin our favorite program anywhere on the taskbar. See, here all the programs are there. This is our taskbar and this is all the favorite program, we keep it here. Fine. Now in this taskbar, the new arrow pick feature allow us to turn our window, open window, transparent and make the desktop screen visible. Fine. Now next is jump list. What is this jump list? This is also a new feature in Windows 7 that allow us to view the pinned document, picture or song or website that you use frequently. Fine. So this jump list basically move your or you can easily open those files which you frequently use. I am showing you how. Suppose what you have to do, just click on the start menu. Whatever you are using, it will come here in the form of jump list. Okay, so that you can directly click that file or open that folder. That is the use of jump list. Fine. Now next we will see Window Media Center. What is this Window Media Center? Window Media Center is basically used for watching TV, movies and other video content on our PC easier than ever. With a cable connection, we can watch and record the TV show. Fine. And by using this Window Media Center. And the last one is Windows Mobile. Windows Mobile is basically a software, children, which empower the advanced, easy to use device that allow the user to send and receive email, browse the internet and hundreds of applications available to extend the platform. Windows Mobile works efficiently depending on the place, time and the nature of the work. Okay. Now, do you know, children, when this Windows 10 operating system was released? Any idea? No? It is released on July 29, 2015. Okay? That's all for the day, children. Have a nice day.